Stone-faced in a navy suit and crimson tie, Donald Trump sat surrounded by defense attorneys in a courtroom, facing criminal charges for the second time since his presidency ended. Welcome to Slant News. If you want to support, you can subscribe to our channel. The former president listened intently, a faint frown marring his expression, as prosecutors accused him of unlawfully possessing and concealing classified documents. This marked the first instance of a former president facing federal criminal charges. Inside the Miami courthouse, strict rules prohibited cameras, phones, and laptops, ensuring no photographs of Trump's arraignment were taken. Just moments earlier, U.S. Marshals treated Trump like any other defendant, collecting his fingerprints, date of birth, and address. However, due to his widespread recognition, officials deemed an additional mugshot unnecessary. On behalf of Mr. Trump, we unequivocally plead not guilty, declared Todd Blanche, one of his attorneys. Seated beside Trump was Waltine Nada, the personal aide also charged as a co-conspirator by federal prosecutors. Although they arrived together, there was no apparent interaction between the two inside the courtroom. Across the aisle, in the second row, sat Jack Smith, the Justice Department's special counsel who recently unveiled shocking allegations that Trump had amassed top-secret documents at his Mar-a-Lago estate. Smith remained silent, allowing lawyer David Harbach to lead the government's case. Despite the spectacle, silence pervaded the room, interrupted only by the hum of the air conditioner. It persisted until Judge Jonathan Goodman entered at 2:55 p.m. local time. Judge Goodman commenced the proceedings, presiding over the hearing with efficiency and authority. The arraignment served two primary purposes: for the defendants to enter their pleas and for the judge to set the conditions of their bond. Signing the bond agreement stood as the most significant action Trump took that day. A court employee passed the document to one of his lawyers, who then handed it to the former president. Quickly perusing the agreement, Trump's lawyers read alongside him. With a decisive stroke of his pen, he signed the documents, outlining the terms of his release. A debate ensued over the bond. Both Trump and Nada received a personal surety bond. Judge Goodman released them without travel restrictions, passport surrender, or the need for a monetary bond. Initially, the judge proposed prohibiting Trump from contacting a yet-to-be-determined list of government-provided witnesses. Trump's legal team argued that many potential witnesses were likely his employees or colleagues, making it impossible for him to entirely avoid contact. In the end, Judge Goodman sought to accommodate Trump's concerns. He ruled that Trump would be barred from discussing the facts of the case with the yet unknown witnesses. If the list grew excessively long, Mr. Goodman stated that Trump could appeal the restrictions. As his lawyer lacked authorization to practice in the Southern District of Florida, Nada did not enter a plea during the hearing. He was released on bond, and his arraignment was rescheduled for June 27. Despite its historical significance, the proceedings moved swiftly, concluding within 50 minutes. "My involvement in the case ends now," Judge Goodman announced at 3:45 p.m. local time, tapping his watch for emphasis. Another judge will oversee future proceedings. As everyone in the courtroom rose, Trump was swiftly escorted out through a side door by his security detail, joining a waiting motorcade. Moments later, without uttering a word, Special Prosecutor Mr. Smith exited the courtroom.